Intercooler, hopefully. So I was going over to my friend Eric's house to do it, but apparently he doesn't have the tools over there right now. So I'm gonna go pick up some tools and got it in the back, and then I'm gonna go down and hopefully it's not raining by his house, and then we can get it in.
A few moments later.
Guys, yesterday we did the intercooler, but it didn't go as planned. I guess there was some hardware that was missing from the package, so we had to do some customization, and it's not fitting right. So just be safe. I brought it to Rod's Reliable Welding, so I'm gonna try to get it welded up here. See, get some custom brackets here, load it to the frame, and then that's the goal. You see everything fits, but it's still shaking a little bit, like that. It's still moving, and I'd rather be safe than sorry. So they're about to start welding. So what they're gonna do is because the intercooler is aluminum, but the frame is steel, they're gonna weld 2 brackets on the intercooler, and then I'm just gonna put them in with some metal screws on the actual frame, so that way it can support it. Because I can do it the way it is, but I'm just kind of scared because I don't want it to, to be going like 80 and all I hear is boom. Alright, so we are back at this shop, and I guess they're working on it now. So they're starting to do the welding process. So this is the finished product. It's good. Y'all, this shit is a problem, bro. I just did a pull, bro. Nasty. But I can't wait till I actually get an official tune, so hopefully I don't know if I should just get tuned and then just like get my downpipe and get tuned, and just for that, for the intake, intercooler, and downpipe, and then do my intake manifold later with another tune. I can just wait it out and just bump the Cobb off the shelf tune for now. But I will say the horsepower is a little bit higher, but you really feel it more in the torque, and towards the top end you feel it a lot more, because usually like once you hit around like probably like 5,000 RPM, like it kind of dies out, but it revs. Not a Honda, but it does its thing. I'm gonna try to do another one right now. This shit is a mother trucking problem. Shit. Yo, this shit's wild. I'm kind of glad, because during the week I really don't push my car. So like the weekends is like the only time I get to push it. So yeah. But I didn't get a good chance to record yesterday, like the whole process. I have like a 3-minute clip, but pretty much what happened is it got dark, and then the screws that go to screw that hold the intercooler from the bottom, the stock screws were too big, and either I lost it or they didn't send it to me in the package. So I had to go to Home Depot and buy some smaller screws, like 3/8 screws, 3/8 bolts bolts and nuts. So I did that, and we got that in, but then it wasn't really lining up all the way. And even now, you can't tighten it. It's kind of like the one on my side, the driver's side, is tightened, but the one on the passenger side is a little bit loose. It still has space to tighten, so when I get home, I'll probably try to tighten that. And I still have to find some way to open my hood so I can put my headlight in. Guys, I did get the hood open. I kind of had to reach from the bottom. Reach from the bottom. I had to take the charge pipe out. I don't know if you can see it from down there. And I pretty much had to reach up here and push this down. I had to push this down, and then that popped this open, and I could just come up from here and do it. But yeah, so now I'm in the process of putting this charge pipe, piece of the charge pipe back on, and after that I'll be done. And you can go out and rip it. But so far, intercooler is on sturdy. Bet. Hey bro, don't knock my moans, bro. So shit's going on good, bro. So we did some runs with the main movement tonight. I got gapped. I got gapped by a Honda. I'm ashamed. Time to sell my car. But also okay. But also I lost to a Fiesta, but it was good runs, man. At least now I know where my car is power-wise. So that's good. But this is the end of this video, so I'll talk to you guys next one.